Welcome back to my travel vlog. We back with part 2 and the vibes are only getting better. More adventure, more chaos, more memories. Let's get into it. We finally arrived in Honduras, went through immigration, got our fingerprint registered, and now we're driving past acres of land covered in fire and smoke. Not sure what's going on yet, but the view was honestly intense. This trip is already feeling unreal. Made it to Aramesina and had to make a quick gas station stop to grab some flor de caña. If you know, you know, the local finds always make the trip even better. We finally made it to our final destination, El Progreso Lloro. After the long drive, we stopped by Cafeteria Moy to grab some food, and honestly, it was really good. One thing I noticed here, the prices are super affordable at this cafeteria. 28 lempira equal about $1, which is honestly crazy cheap. Ready to start the day. First stop was exchanging USD to lempira so we can move around easily. Also had to try the original Honduras Lay's chips on the way. Simple but actually really tasty. Small moments like this make the trip feel real. We finally arrived at Teodormo Water Park. Honestly, we got here mad fast. It was probably like about 25 to 30 minutes. But anyways, this water park, it got a little bit of everything. It had like a mini market, a mall style setup, and even a buffet food court area. Perfect spot to explore and relax for the day. Yeah, look at everything they have. They got fried chicken, ribs, french fries, mashed potatoes, pork chop, everything. Oh my God, it was so good. I wish I was there right now, I'm not gonna lie. We're about to change. Y'all know me. Y'all know I always gotta get my heady way. Even in Honduras. I got my heady. Yeah, y'all see me looking cute and whatnot. Period.
Hey, girl. Hey, I could finally use my phone.
And we found a charging. Yeah, you already know what it is. The famous viral colorful slide. It's a whole Central American thing too. Not just here, El Salvador has one as well. Like I showed in my last vlog. Always cool seeing the same iconic spot pop up in different countries. Quick overview of the park. Weekends are the best time to come. Live DJ, bands, and you can even hop on stage and show off your dance moves. Time to head out. We're leaving the water park. Outside they have Dolmo Express to order food and spots like Bocha and Grill. Even saw a Denny's here in Honduras, which surprised me. I didn't expect all of that. McDonald's is everywhere though, so that one makes sense. We ended up going with Asado La Artada instead, and the food did not disappoint. Look at all of this. Wow. God bless.
Happy birthday!
After dinner, we headed to the park and just walked around for a bit. And of course, I had to stop and take a pic with this giant souvenir bicycle. Couldn't leave without that moment. You only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough. Today we visited the neighborhood where my mom grew up. It was emotional but really beautiful. We saw her childhood home and she cried showing us around. Right at her old mango tree, 3 ripe mangoes fell as we arrived. Felt like a special moment. We also walked a few blocks down and found the river my mom used to go to with her family and friends.
Hey y'all. So I got my Salvador. We about to go on a ride.
This river is known to be a bit dangerous with past drownings, but the water is incredibly clear and natural. You can even drink it. I just rinsed my mouth and it tastes so pure, like straight from nature with no chemicals at all. You can even see the mountains where the water flows down from. I totally forgot the name of the river, but yeah.
All right, y'all. So we hiking. We trying to find some coyoles. What's coyoles? Gonna make a chair. I thought he was gonna start a fire. We at the river.
As you can see, there are so many animals just walking around freely, and honestly, this was one of the highlights of the trip.
Look at the monkey.
Alright, y'all, I'm gonna need y'all to meet my babe, Paco. He's an 18-year-old monkey, and he absolutely loves me. Watch this.
Hola, Paco. Paco.
I think I have a type of anxiety of
And look at this moment. He literally grabs my hand when I'm scratching his back. Paco was so protective. He even tried to comfort my son just because he only wanted me for him. Y'all, I even caught a bird show in the sky. It was honestly so impressive. After we finished at the river, we headed over to the local hot spring to warm up after that cold water. It was a vibe. It was like family friendly.
I found her in the room. He's guarding the ladies' changing room.
Good day, mate. Y'all see me looking all cute and whatnot. So we stepping out real quick to go get some fruits. Pineapples. I love pineapples. So you already know I had to get some. I topped mines with tagine, but they also had other options like barbecue sauce, hot sauce, ketchup, and more to mix it up. We are now on our way to Santa Rita Lloro to visit my aunties and cousins. We just arrived. This was our first time visiting one of my aunt's houses. My son already knew his way around and even gave me a little tour. There are like 28 hammocks, and upstairs there's a huge balcony with a beautiful view, but it's still under construction. But just checking out and seeing what's going on here is nice. After visiting my aunts, we went to have dinner at my mom's cousin restaurant that she owns, and oh my god, the food was 100 out of 10. It's called Burri Sabor. The restaurant also has a space you can book for private events of all kinds, and check out the bar too. Yeah, they really have everything set up nicely. Period. Y'all see me again? Okay, bow. Ayy, she got the... So this is the other side of the restaurant. While you wait for your food, you can take some really beautiful pictures. Everything tastes so fresh, natural, and full of flavor, like really healthy home-cooked food. The only thing I didn't really love was the taco, just because they make the tortilla from scratch using corn. But overall, if you're ever in Santa Rita Lloro, you have to stop by and try it. We passed by this spooky house that's near my aunt's house. Today, my sister and I went to the mall to look for souvenirs now that our trip is coming to an end. This fried chicken was a solid 10 out of 10. Aww, y'all see the parrots my mom's cousin has as pets? So adorable, but also a little annoying. But this is the moment where reality hits. It's time to fly back to the city. Thank you to everyone who watched my vlog, commented, liked, and subscribed. I love you all.